At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
Subscribe to Richard Brown Film.
I know it's hard, and the kids are calling from morning to evening for you. As a mother, your work is never ending. I want you to know that I see you. 'Cause you are the heart of this family.
B. Babes. B.
Oh.
Wake up, man. You can't sleep.
Huh?
Can't sleep. You wake up, man. Wake up, no wake.
Oh.
You can't sleep, man. You want to sleep. Just one picture. Come on.
It's a morning, man. Let me turn.
I best time now be 4 o'clock.
Oh. Oh. What's happening into you? Huh? Mommy,
I want one in here, sir.
mommy, I want, mommy.
I want to talk to you, my son. Right now, I'm scared down on my yard.
Oh.
Scared. I'm scared. It come like, me I hear somebody a walk around the house. And me they try to call your phone from when you not answer me. Me scared. My son, me scared. Me I call your phone from when you not answer.
Asleep, me there asleep, mommy, man. You never hear my phone ring Shakabery.
You know how much time me call you, me hear like somebody a walk around the house. And me they call you. Me they call you, you that dead if you answer the phone. Why you not do so? Me they call and nobody not answer the phone. And it sound like a sheen the outside.
So, Miss Candy, you tell me say you hear like a somebody out the door and you come out of your house. You never free the person grab you.
No, me feel safe around my son.
How you come in by the way?
Me have my own key, you know.
For me house?
Yes, me can come in here. Is my son there here with you?
How come she have me key?
Because he's my daughter-in-law.
Mommy, when I say she responsible for your place.
And me no feel like me want go down back. It's too late now after 4 before day. You have to go out there so I make me sleep with my son. Stay in the living room because I need to sleep beside my son. I feel more safer beside my son.
No,
I
sir.
Shakabery. Just sleep out there and listen.
You know, you dey tell me in my own house if you sleep out there, so.
I'm your mother, you know.
That not say I know my mother.
Want the sheet. You have to go sit good when me take up the sheet.
Disrespect. Remember that disrespect me, so you know, in front of mommy, man. No, mommy, come, little. Shakabery not fair be your man. Come.
Oh no!
Uncle Leroy!
Yo! Me a come there.
Oh my God. Jamo.
Can't believe you come out.
Well, freedom is a must.
True. So all things.
Everything alright, man. Are you alone come?
Yeah, me alone. What you mean?
Oh,
What
nothing,
happened?
man. Nothing, man. Nothing, man.
You sure you say good?
Me good, man. Me good. Boy, I tell you, trust me. Boy, I wouldn't want my dog go back there, so. Trust me.
So you never come when you come out and
No, I just want sudden, you know, then just release me upon sudden, you know, so.
and you not call your niece?
No, me not get no time for really notify nobody. Boy, me love how you keep up a place with me still. Me not lie you.
True.
But boy, me I tell you, say, trust me, man. It's hard, rough. I just want like a quick notice, good behavior, then just say, boy, you know, to come out and see me out. Sorry, I couldn't get to notify nobody, but you see me. Yeah, man, so anyway, nobody not ask me or nothing like that.
No, uncle, why people would ask you?
You know, me fresh out I think and things, so I don't know, people under just come already and say, boy, you know.
Well, that's a true, you know. Me never think you'd have come around because based on where you got jail for.
God.
Oh, you even come out so fast?
Good behavior. And I say, me a humble bridge,
Good
man.
behavior upon two murder charge, Uncle Leroy.
If man I mention it back, man. But yeah, man, me go on good, man, so then just, you know.
Well, so what you plan to do? What are the plans now that you're there road? Because when I know if you even go find one job with the record, even though I not far with them, but it's a god still. Or maybe people are gonna look up to you in the streets, we don't know.
Why I don't even know if you tell you, know, because I never really have no plan, you know, because they just say, boy, you're out, and me just out. So, actually, the plan I forgot begin from now, because me don't know. What me I go do say, but me I forgot dip on a low profile. Me can't really go to a road, cause,
Why,
you know,
Uncle?
me don't want people, no, me don't like, man, you know, people stare, me don't want people go pre me and go say, boy, yo, he just come from prison, you know. So me just have to just easy, me never want to go around this and go, not even bubble around this and go check her, nothing like that. You understand what I mean?
So, oh yeah, calm down. Oh yeah, get take care. Cause me not really a worker right now, I know what the plan.
As me say, me never have no plan. Me just get a release and me come out. And when me come out, I know me there, but we just take it for now, we see what happens. Just take it day by day, man. I mean, man, don't worry yourself.
I guess everything I come in place.
Over there, man.
Just happy to see you come back. Finally,
Yeah.
come, you know.
Right. But anybody come and ask me, you know, see me. Come in, I really want nobody know, say me come. Please. You understand what I mean? Because I can't bother with excitement. You don't know anything, Saturday.
Uncle Leroy,
Yeah.
you up to something?
No, man, I'm feel up to nothing, man. But if you would go to prison, you would understand. You understand? I don't want nobody come back up while they're in prison and excitement. No one of that.
So
Everything
me not
must
see
want
you?
it. You don't see me. Simple as anybody asks me,
Me not
you don't see me. Just that. We don't make you just take your time and jelly. Man, you don't know anything, man.
Alright. Me just glad to see you come.
Real man, all yourself.
Alright. Me I go back out on the road because you make a call. Me say me I come look for you.
Yeah, I'm glad you come see. But remember, just hold it down.
Alright.
You know, say you're good like that. See.
Alright, later.
All right. Yeah, man. Mommy, oi. What go on?
There, man.
So, what's your favorite little ice cream? Man?
Well, thank you. That's why I feel love you so, you know, my son. Jesus, I could have never have a better son than you. You are the best son in the whole world. I'm proud of you. You know how much mother wish their son buy one bottle of water give her.
Mommy, you deserve more than buckle of water. You deserve everything.
And look there. You carry my favorite ice cream cone give me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Nothing going from man, you know. Everybody just come and look. But they promise me I get to them we come back. So I just go and build up my hopes until one night time. God will send somebody come buy some, you know. Kind of slow now then. Another season kind of slow now. Too much of a tourist not there, you know.
That's true, man. But I come go, man. I come from work, but I had a two food on a supreme there. To go home.
My son, I'm tired to tell you about saving. Maxie want me to later run in a life. When you get older, you go want money to spend, you know.
So, mommy, we don't have to careful go, man. We have to eat, you know.
Every day you have to buy food and you live with a man.
Shakabery now cook, mommy. As a matter of fact, Shakabery can't really cook like that.
But
So-
you choose them the kind of woman there. And you look like you're in love with her. You're in love with somebody that cannot cook, wash, and clean. Not even your clothes them when you wear go work, no press and look proper. Me not like it.
Alright, mommy. No, I just pass through. I'm going to get a check. So if I not tomorrow, I'm going to check around there.
Alright, but tomorrow you not have to buy no food. Maybe cook some food and carry for you. Here?
Alright, no
Alright, so
problem.
take care. Drive safe.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
yes, alright.
Big
Yeah, go on.
Leo. So we want for breakfast.
What you have?
We have egg and bread, remember, so we not go supermarket from when you want that?
Egg and bread. Alright. But I want it on the sunny side up still, you know.
We'll try. So me can do if me
Yeah.
can do that, me scramble it.
But you know, scrambled egg good when time I do it, but just don't put too much salt in it, please.
You put little milk in there and black pepper.
No, nobody put no milk on them sitting in there, man. Just make it just like how mommy make it. Cause when mommy I make it, she take her time, she put just salt in it and she make it good.
Egg is simple something for mix, so 1, 2, 3 of them. We don't need for a lot of one whole big recipe at that about how your mother make it.
Alright. Just go and do it, though. Remember, you know, if you don't know what to do, just Google it. Morning, mommy.
Morning.
Oh, you look your food for me?
Okay, breakfast here.
But, mommy, you know, say me and Sandra live together now. And Sandra in the kitchen I look about breakfast. You never have to carry this come. How you can come, by the way?
Maxie, her mother's breakfast is better in the morning. Me know it good for you. You know fi easily give out fi trust woman so with your belly. Remember say anything affect you, you know, a belly come from, you know. You have to be careful. Anyway, see your juice here.
Thanks. This tastes good, man.
Blended juice.
May I tell me say you cook the best food now, mommy?
No, not tell her then something because she will feel away. But me know say, from me see that the girl there when you carry her go introduce her to me. Me see can't cook pan her. But do no mention it to her. Just go on and play the role and eat sometime when she give. Sometime when she give nobody eat it. Just tell her say your mother come with the food. Maxie, you have no dirty clothes, me can carry them down go wash for you. Because me notice from other day, you know, your clothes them look four up. Me not understand. You see the machine thing? Me not think of every material fi go in a machine, you know.
But Shakabery I go wash, mommy, man.
Every
Sandra.
time me talk to you, call this girl name to me. Me not hate her, you know. But me not think say she a wash your clothes them good. Look how this look now. Look. See it there. And online me dey tell, see there. See 4 there. P4, watch ya. All this, I did one black shirt. Look how it look now. Like she a use bleach, wash your clothes, then it start get white.
I mean, things are mommy, man, but everything alright.
But you look like you did hungry, man. You almost finished. Just go for your dirty clothes, them come give me wash them.
I don't think you have to do that, mommy. You're alright, man. Just make sure Shakabery wash them, man.
From other day, me notice your clothes. Me not tell no lie. You know, look good in them bad color. Watch your hair. She can't come here for you.
Mommy, I ear just me to go, man. Normally, me go ear just and then go barber same time.
But before you move out of the house and go live with woman, me used to give you money for go hairdresser. And the rest of girl them where you used to talk to used to comb your hair nice for you. Me don't know how what's up with this one ya. You love her and she not take care of you. How? The one you look like a wife material man.
Oh, I think you're overreacting. What's up? What's wrong?
Me not like how you look these last days. You need to fix up yourself nice. Comb your hair and look good. You should have get your breakfast already. That means saying you may never come up here, you're dead for hungry. Cause from me come here so how long now, much minute gone. You say she gone in the kitchen gone look about breakfast. I know me not see she come out today. What she look about so how for me teach you manners, you know, not do
Sorry,
it. So you
sorry,
don't
sorry,
big
man.
man.
Sorry,
Have
sorry.
manners in front of a man.
Sorry, man.
Your burp say excuse me.
Sorry.
Or sorry.
Thank you, my mother. Thank you for this breakfast. I tell her.
Why kind what?
She probably bakes you know, but
Why? So she still in the coming with it?
she's in like around the kitchen or so.
Oh.
Alright, mom. Just listen when we can get them back.
Me go right down and go wash them. Me not stop no way. So we get them back by tomorrow.
Alright.
Right down on me yard, me I go.
Alright, so thanks again for your breakfast here. Yeah, man.
But give me back my plate and the cup. Me we wash them myself. Me no want your woman wash them for me.
Alright, mom, but you know so I could have washed them though.
Alright.
Alright, drive safe on the road here.
Alright. Love you, my son.
Alright, love you too.
B. Hold it now. Here.
It's a good thing some mommy they can't look for me.
Your mother from this morning?
Yeah,
See some sugar and water here. We put little lime in there.
little lime.
Yeah. I make you go on, so.
Too much lime. Shakabery. Me good. You know what?
So eat the breakfast now.
Me eat already. Mommy can breakfast come give me a while ago. Me good.
So,
Same egg and bread. What? Yeah, she scrambled egg come give me this morning. You never there in the kitchen, you never here out there?
no, it's more to look born a breakfast. Since you get breakfast already, your belly full already.
She come here this morning, she even just left a while ago.
Here, yeah. So how me just know that?
You did in the kitchen apparently. Me don't know where did in the kitchen I do.
A toast bread me look bout. See it there, and egg.
Shakabery, look how this tough. Feel it here there. Shakabery, my good man. Me good. Me get something to eat.
You know, me not like this because it come like I say your mother they compete with me or something. Cause me look more egg and bread here, your mother they look more egg and bread. Like a competition we are on as woman and in-law. You know, so me have a feeling say your mother don't like me.
Nothing like that, man. I know nothing like that. She just always can breakfast come give me. You see me?
Yeah, me
But
not
Shakabery, you couldn't learn for cook before.
yes, me if you go on YouTube, but YouTube me go up and I learn how to fry the egg.
So I say look on YouTube.
Me do it how me can do it, you know, and not everybody cook the same.
Alright, yeah, well, me good. Me no want nothing more feet. Me just eat a while ago and drink some juice and something. And mommy, carry clothes and go and wash what you have in the bath from yesterday.
Here, yeah. And look for when me a plan to wash your clothes them.
She said she will wash them. Cause she said all of me all of her shirt fur up on it. Yeah, I mean not really have to pay attention to it.
You know what? Me not even go do this. Me not even go hold no argument.
So why can't be yourself?
Because it was within a relationship. Where your mother want to come in the middle of the relationship.
I mean mother, you know.
Yeah, but you have to understand, say you're a big man now. She have to let you make you grow by yourself now. You're in a relationship. Who knows you can get married? You know, since I don't want it.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm there.
Where is Maxie?
In there work. In the day man, in Ghana work.
What time is it now? Because I thought he would be here already.
No, in leave work 4 after 1 I know.
Oh.
Yes. By 4:30 reach you.
Anyway, I did come to check on him to see if he already eat something before left to work and to see how I'm going to leave out if his clothes look well attired and everything, you know, if him look proper. Because I noticed from the other day, you know, him look one kind of messy way. Him hair need to get done and stuff like that. But no disrespect. You's my daughter-in-law. I respect you, you know, she Maxie girlfriend, but I think you need to know if you take care of man. Me just believe say you not take care of my son the right way. And don't bother think say me overprotective. Remember say I'm my son, you know. I mean know how you feel no way. You's a nice girl. But you have to learn how to take care of man so you can hold the man. Because if you don't know how to take care of your man, you know, my daughter-in-law, don't feel anyway. It is the truth. If you don't know how to take care of your own man, somebody else will take care of your man for you.
Well, your son is well taken care of. And me glad how you mentioned that because maybe one talk there from the other day.
Okay.
Because and no disrespect in what me I go say. But you have to remember say your son a big man and he might grow up, he might go have kids in the future, he might go have a wife in the future.
With who?
What you mean with who?
No, that is just a simple question. I don't mean any harm.
Yeah. So you have to let him to make him have experience. Let him make him live in life. You can't want to live in life for him. Me dey here, me take care of him, me cook, me wash, me clean. No need a fear. Me understand.
Excuse me, just a second. I do not think I am taking over my son's life.
That's how you feel. And that's how you look like you take over
I
in
just
life.
need my son to live a good way. You know, proper relationship when woman take care of man and make them look nice and clean and feed them. Look how my son get maga. Can you imagine? When my son used to live at my house before he gone on his own, I know say I'm a big man now, you know. It's not like he's a child, so don't get it twisted. Me understand say I'm an adult. But my son no used to them the life there, you know. The other day, my son called me and they tell me when hungry. When me ask my son for you, my son say, you're inside watching TV and you say you're soon cook, but him okay. Me not have to carry no food for him. What that mean? If my son hungry, remember me I mother, me I go cook and make sure say him get something to eat. Cause I don't want my son to die for hunger and living with a woman like you.
So your son hungry, your son a call and I tell you say hungry for. What to me?
He's my son. You're my daughter-in-law. You don't supposed to call me and tell me that you're hungry. My son already working and prepares food for you to look about for you and him. But the time you take to cook, you is on the phone, you're watching TV. What else? What else you doing? I don't know. But my son hungry all the time. Listen.
It's like me zone out on what you say because none of this what you said don't make no sense.
I know that whatever I said to you won't make any sense for now. Not until you and my son split up.
That will never
Then
happen.
you will see what makes sense. I am not saying you and my son is going to separate, you know. No. I'm just, you know, passing assertion. But you can understand what I say anyway. I know you understand me. But you need to, you know, pay more attention to my son. My son need all the attention, the affection, you know, all the TLC and them kind of something there. And clean up the place. Me say the other day, me come up here. Him tell me say how we all look about breakfast in the kitchen. You know how long I sit right here with my son? And if I didn't bring something for him to eat, he'd die for hunger.
Me think you overreact. Me in the kitchen, me a make breakfast, me a clean up the kitchen, me a wash up the dishes.
You're supposed to clean the kitchen first before you look about something to eat to give my son. I don't want my son to catch any germs. That is not right. Germs easily catch, you know. If you never know, then take time and build up.
Well, me I go take your advice and take care of your son as you say.
And I need a lot of grandchildren, so you have to prepare for that. So if your home cannot hold like twins and triplet and quadruplet, you can no bother think about giving my son any children because I don't want no daughter-in-law who only bring one grandpicnic come give me. Let me ask you a question. You and my son sit down and talk about kids and the future and stuff like that?
Yes.
Oh, I see. What you really talk about?
The future.
Pertaining to kids and stuff like that and the
Yeah, we
future.
speak
What kind
about
of
the
plan you have?
future.
Oh, because my son acting a little different from the other day, you know. I need my son to come and stay with me on weekends. I don't believe that my son to stay with you like for the whole week and don't come to see his mother. So I'm going to talk to him about it. Anyway, you said that my son is not here as yet. He's going to leave work for? That's what you told me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can expect him by 4:35.
I don't know if I'm coming back today, but I'll try. If not, next time.
Okay.
I'm going to take my leave now, right?
Okay, all right.
All right, so have a nice day and make sure that when my son come home today, you walk to the door, take off his jacket, take his briefcase and put it down and take off him shoes then.
Wow.
Make him cool off and turn the fan on him.
Okay.
And when he's ready for going at the shower, you go in there and soap him up properly.
Okay.
And cook his food. Because I'm going to call him and ask him about the food that you cook.
Okay.
Yes, because the other day I heard some neighbors talking about they smell something burning over here.
All right.
Yeah, good evening, babes.
Good evening.
I- Whoa, I tell you, man, it was long. Watch out. This is the only thing they give you for work with, you know.
You look very exhausted.
12-hour shift, babes. Yeah, go on in.
There.
Right, I'm gonna come grow and mommy, you know. I'll be down grow in the car. But they at work and she called me and tell me say she a look about some stew peas today. And I tell her say God know me I think about the stew peas the whole day.
So you just come in and you left back round your mother? You know, me glad how you bring up your mother too. You know, so she come here early and today must say after one them time there and she asked me say which part day. But me I tell her say, you know, the year yet you're gonna work and I left till about 4:35 o'clock. Your mother they make me know how to treat you and how to deal with you. They tell me so when you come in from me fi stand at the door and greet you, take off bag off your back and take off jacket. Come in a bathroom, come scrub you up. Me never know say you're a king.
That sound too bad still, you know. That sound too
That
bad.
sound too bad.
So what so I guess so.
You know, say me dey figure it out and me I tell you say it come like I say your mother don't like me, you know.
So I can answer such thing.
Me see it clearly today. She make me know say me not take care of you. She make me look like I say me as some little careless girl where you pick up from roadside. And so she make me feel like me no know how to take care of you, me no know what me I do.
No man, watch out man. Mommy alright. Mommy alright man. Don't worry about mommy man.
So that
She love me, you know.
yeah, me know so she love you, but she a come in the middle of the relationship.
What do you mean the mother come in a relationship? You see my mother sleep around her?
She'll talk about how if you can spend the weekends with her, like yeah man, little boy. You know, see you need to man up. Your mother cook
Eh?
stew peas, you well want run go for stew peas, like you're frightened for stew peas.
Me hungry. Me I come in from work. I'm hungry. You Shakabery. You know to yourself say you can't cook. You know say you can't cook. See, last night you cook a fish. The fish raw. The fish raw. You cook a fish. Me eat the fish. Me all of have running belly this morning. Me there work. First thing first. My mother not say nothing wrong, you know. She not say nothing wrong. Cause look, it's like you always pre-violence. You could have come hug me up with you.
Me so no regular me hug you up. Your mother can't rub you down the way you hold me rub you down. Eh? All of the things that when me do, your mother can't do that.
This is Shakabery. No bother with that, man. Don't try involve my mother like that.
You can't go, you feel like I say you want to go there with your mother, so go and go there with your mother then. I feel like I say that you want to do. Because since me not enough,
Shakabery, it's my mother that you talk about, you know.
and I'm not saying anything is wrong with that, me not say I know your
So
mother.
what is this?
But she are coming at the middle of the relationship.
You think you're overreact, man. Here I go. Me I go go on there and me I go see if me can talk to her
Okay,
and get something to eat same time.
good luck with that.
What say, may I go on the road later?
Just once I talk to your mother and sort out everything and set boundaries, we can do anything. But go and do what you have to still.
Just relax yourself, man. Please, me I beg you. I'm my mother that and she love me. You can't make shit and like so she said nothing wrong either, you know. Right now, it instead of you take up them sitting the way I worry about my mother, you should have look for some little tutorial at home if actually do little cooking and go and upgrade the cooking skill. Cause look, my mother cooking best stew peas.
You just depend the one stew piece.
You know want some?
No, me good. Me good.
Alright, I'm tell her. I'm so come.
Yeah.
If I don't we might sleep down there.
Mommy, what kind of style like this? Eh?
So talk about you not even say Evelyn.
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Mommy, look. Me don't know why Shakabery have or why you have against Shakabery, but mommy, me love Shakabery. And she tell me say you come up there, mommy, and so on something why you up there I go along with mommy. I'm a woman, you know.
So what she tell us? Lord have mercy. Maxie, me no go they go on with nothing. Me just tell your woman as you say, where you say you love. You love her, you love a girl. The truth. Because the place messy.
Mommy, but
It
that I never
untidy.
your place we do that, mommy. I never your place we do that, you know.
You're my
She
son.
did it.
I mean, when you stay in no nastiness, you will catch germs. You think you're too old or you're too big for catch germs? Eh? Me just a talk to her and tell her, say, why she never fold up the clothes them properly? Why she throw them out on the bed like that? She don't even sweep out the place. Dirty plate in the kitchen. All of the pot them, wait, hold on them. Remember say she cannot cook in one. Every one of the pot them where you come down on me yard, go and take and carry them up there. Them black, it's like, I wanna cook hog food. So every food do not cook it burn up. No, sir.
Mommy.
Hmm.
All me I say, you never have to go say that to her, man. You better you didn't even teach her how to cook, you know.
No, me I tell her the truth. She will learn to tidy your place and how to cook. That means she know to hold a man. If you cannot cook, wash and clean, no man want you. Worse if you have no education. So what you want her for? Just have sex? Eh? And go buy fast food?
Alright, mommy, no bother with that.
So pure fast food you want?
No bother with that, man. I still pays me the company where they tell me about, you know.
See there? You're hungry. You ask me for stew peas. Anyway, me never cook no stew peas today. Although today is the day when me always cook stew peas. Me cook some rice and some fish in the kitchen. You can go in there and get some. If a little food you did come for you know say you're hungry, but you did tell me man more than you tell me about your woman where you know cannot do nothing at all. She's a disgrace to the family. I don't know where you talk that.
Mommy, look. Yes, Shakabery can cook, but still, I'm a girlfriend.
Your girlfriend.
No,
And
but
you feel proud to say one woman like that is your girl. Go on in the kitchen.
Mommy, no say what Shakabery do, you can't do, you know, mommy.
I know. I know what she's doing to you. I will never do that. And what she's giving you, I am not going to give you because I cannot.
So,
I can't give you up. Means your mother. Go in, you get too bright. Go on in the kitchen, go eat the food. Don't go on in your yard. Them the kind of woman they you want. I'll fear her teeth if you go brush whole heap of time.
Miss Candy.
Hi.
Oh, hello. How are you do?
Shakabery, what does it look like I am really doing to you? I'm folding up the clothes. Listen to me. Every time I talk to you about something pertaining to where you're living, you think that I'm insulting you. I am not.
Me not see a insult,
You're
but
a young woman. When I'm talking, you don't talk. Just listen. You're a young woman, a young lady growing up. You understand? You're an adult now. Young adult. You need to know everything about tidying up place, keeping the place tidy. Man love those kind of stuff. When you can cook, wash and clean and take care of your husband nice and good. Else another woman outside will take away your man from you. And you have to know how to handle your man in bed too. Because if you don't give him the right way, especially to my son.
you don't worry about the bed part. Me know how to cover that.
No, listen to me. Listen to me now. Don't be disrespectful.
So if
Hear
me
me?
can't cook at the bed part,
Do not speak while I'm speaking, else I'm going to have to talk to my son about you. Especially about the bed part. You have to know how to position yourself because my son, he like when you can do proper stuff.
so how you know about that?
Yes, because I heard my son on the phone talking to, yes, his friend all the time before he met you. Yes, so I'm just telling you how to keep him because you're a nice girl. I just don't like the way how you keep the place dirty. And each time I came, I have to keep on folding up the clothes, sweeping up, washing up plate. What are you doing up here? Just laying down in bed watching TV, doing what?
Listen, Miss Candy, me no mean no disrespect. But me just too long take up the clothes them off fire line and go drink little water. I come back now for fold up the clothes them and me see ya fold them up. And listen, me no just sit here and I do nothing me do a 9 to 5. Your son work and me work. And thanks very much for fold up the clothes and me take it 5 years. So me really appreciate it.
Okay, no problem.
Why, waka lang ni Maxie.
Well, you know, say, God no, dog.
Okay, I food and lunchroom.
It's not even the food, bro.
It's like,
My girlfriend and my mother can't get along.
so what cause that you know make them can't get along?
My girlfriend I tell me say it's like a competition with my mother and she. I just every day is a different thing, bro.
Then what cause that? Me think say your woman and your mother did good.
God no. She a tell me say my mother want get in a relationship in between, but she don't understand say I'm my mother that as she grew me, as she me grew up with.
Alright, big man thing, not sure you preach. As a man, sometimes you have to set boundaries in a relationship, you know. Not just on your mother's side, but on your woman's side too. Your mother have to understand say you turn man you know and you have a woman. So she have to be mindful of that too. So maybe your mother do some things where kind of make a woman feel a sort of way there.
But what I mean do some things? Remember say my mother what kind of things? And I like say my mother in a nothing.
Yo, sometimes me know say you probably a talk about cheating, but sometimes I'm not cheating or then it's a problem in a relationship, you know. Sometimes I then small for details. You know what I say? Sometimes maybe I'm as me now say, coming to live for your yard. But maybe your mother make a woman feel uncomfortable like say she not worthy.
Bro. Remember Shakabery can't cook, you know. And my mother we cook and care food come give me. Evening and morning time. Breakfast she will care breakfast come give me. She will wash my clothes and them yesterday.
Alright. You see exactly the point I'm just trying to make a while ago. So are the small little details there. So basically if you or your mother know say your woman can cook, teach her. You know what I say? Teach her.
Me always tell her if we go up on YouTube and go learn for do it.
Alright, please. What if say put right, let's flip it kind. What if Shakabery father when I come around
and I find fault at every little thing in our house. Oh, the sink a leak, and him come fix it. Oh, you know, say it cheerful, Papa, let me fix it. Me know you don't feel away like say I come take over your yard, you know.
No, but nothing wrong with that time, father. You see me?
Alright, all me I say, just take a step back and rethink everything and look into all. See?
Alright, but alright. May I think about it.
Alright. Alright, the right thing for think about it.
Well, yeah. Go on, well off, so me I grow, me I circle you black and follow.
Alright.
You understand?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Girl, what? You tell me long time last year.
Right now, me stress out.
Stress what go on.
Girl, alright, you know my boyfriend, right?
Mm-hmm.
My mother Candy.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, it come like I say, the woman, they try compete with me and his son in the relationship.
What do you mean?
Yes, if a week, about 20 times the woman come at the yard. If me a cook, she carry her own food, come give her son. If me a washing clothes, she a say in clothes they now wash good and she take them and she go wash them. She a make me know say when her son come in at daytime, me must take up meet his son at the door. And when me meet his son at the door, me must hug him up and take off his bag and find back. She even said me if you go in the shower, go make sure say me scrub him up.
Candy, I go on like her son grew up in a riches. Cause only rich people behave so. I made she look.
Yeah, talk about that other night we make love in the room. We hear one knocking on the door. I your mother come up the door. The man don't make me know something if you come off of the bed and go in the city, go sit down in the living room, make she can go in the bed.
No, so Shakabery, this don't make sense. This Maxie our only son, our only child.
Me kinda understand say you love your son
Mm-hmm.
and I only son. But she a go too far. She a go like I say she want there with her son.
No. Don't say that. She maybe just need a little distraction, you know, cause since as she grow, you man, and she and him alone for how much years and he move out and live with you, maybe she just bored and overprotective. You don't think so?
She need to find a man that she need to do.
Well, yeah, one little distraction would
Yeah.
be good. And about that, my uncle just come back in our place and he single, so maybe we could have set him up on her.
Eh?
Yeah, my uncle nice and he look good.
So you really think that I go work? You think that I go take her off our way back?
It can work. Cause apparently just company she need us. So if she find a man where I cheat her good and I give her a little sort out, then she not gonna have time for come up here, come knock by your door and bother you.
That's true. You don't have no picture when me can sip on your phone, nothing.
No, I'm not carry my phone, but don't worry about it. I tell you some my uncle I look good man. Tall, nice. Can fix her properly.
Alright, well me believe you. Just send me the picture and we do what we have to do cause me need me man.
Everything gonna be alright. I'm gonna go down and try see if we can get some photos with him because like I said, him just come back in that place. So I never have no photo with him. So I'm gonna go down, shot a 2 picture and see if we can make some more. But the problem would be would I make them meet or that would really be the issue. But we'll figure it out.
Yeah,
we'll figure
out something.
Babes, you not got work.
Yeah, remember say a late shift me have. Me not go till about 12 or after 11. Yeah.
So you can just see me I come on the phone for screen.
No, she want have your undivided attention. That's why I make it down. Yeah. Maybe I go come in late, you know. Because me I go remember say a 12 to 9 shift me have. Yeah.
Alright, do you do man, because after work, my mommy I go somewhere and nigga. She tell me from when she go me and her go have one little lunch date. A mother and son lunch date, so that
Okay.
if I know.
Okay then, no problem.
Well, good, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
Last night was good enough.
Of course, at least some mother not pop up this time out of nowhere. At least we get to fully enjoy myself. Finally.
Finally get to have some funny.
Mm-hmm.
All right, look for more.
Yeah, all right, man.
Get air.
Mm-hmm. You know, so me just look at the picture a while ago. Yeah, man, your uncle no look too bad. He can't go on. Yeah, girl. So just make you link and do what you have to do. Because me really need my relationship to work out. Yeah. Once she get distracted, she not gonna have time to focus on her son relationship. Yeah, me so far with our. Yeah, remember see a midday shift me have, you know. So me just a go and cool off, 'cause you know, say me not left till about 9 o'clock in the night. Yeah. Yeah, man, me so come. Alright. Yeah.
Uncle,
Wow.
no,
Oh,
you're
man.
good?
Yeah, what happened?
No. So, what on?
Oh, I'm not telling man, it's rough, it's rough, it's rough, it's rough.
You don't have no water can wash off, man.
Why I come back, me I tell you, if honest man, I look around, so I go get some water for your beard. Then I cut off the water, man, I not even light me have, nothing here.
Well, that's why me ask you what the plan and how you go manage, cause
I never expect this. I think somebody come back at least water they are run, we never know.
if water
Non-stop.
there, that means I'm more that pay the bills, and I can't pay the bills if I not work, and I did tell you if I not work.
Oh. Boy, it rough, it rough. It rough, my niece, it rough. Can't manage it. Me can't stay as again. Can't stay as. Can't stay as. There's too much. Everything are flying on my head and all them something. I can't go stay as.
You just need a job and company, you'll be fine.
Number one thing, me can't stay. Me have to leave us. Too much memories. And nothing stay good. I have to go JPS and now we go get a light back and water back. I pay problem, man. Me need somewhere to go. We can't stay as.
So why you look around the place, so?
Oh. Well, I mean, no. It's like a prison thing, you can't get out of here. You see, you have to watch your head back, so every minute you look, you know, I know. You just, that's something can't come out of here, because every look, you have to watch. So that's just something in me. We can't get it out.
Me know you is a clean man, you know, but you know, look like you stay on top of the cleaning.
Can't see that.
You need one
I feel
woman.
wear same clothes. Eh?
You need one woman.
Yeah, man. What do you mean, man? What? You know, I know you talk. You can't line me up.
Right, that's a good one. Me know somebody.
For real?
Me know, so yes. My friend, mother-in-law,
Mhm.
she's very, very single.
Mhm.
And she's also looking.
You nice looking?
Yes.
Ah, God. Can't stay here, man. We can't stay. So when you can when you can link up?
Whenever you're ready. Me serious, you know, uncle.
Yeah, tell me, if you serious? Look for me. Me serious like a heart attack.
Listen, I don't have her number and I don't have one photo of her, but I can carry it to her. That work?
We can man, anything right now, you know, bad.
Anything.
Anything right now, me I tell you.
Me say if all goes well, I can pack up and move out because she ever the woman for her house ever empty because her son moved out recently.
Eh.
So,
That sound good, man. I go
So it's about tomorrow.
Look here, where?
It can't be today, man.
Why not?
Because me need for go beard and something. Me just like eat mango and tomorrow.
Sure, man.
Uncle, tomorrow.
All right.
So you say tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
But like how you not get no phone at all. Me gotta come meet you down here?
No, man, me come meet you. We shall meet you. No, when I meet you, so no, but just forget about yourself, man. Forget about yourself.
But you can meet me over at park. We should probably always go on Sunday.
But we used to go a long time.
We should probably used to go on Sunday. But I was much younger.
Well, everything changed up on the place at Terrated. Me I tell you, say, trust me, come like me go to one different country. Everything
Of
just
course,
different.
things are going to change.
But me, man, know yourself, man. We meet you over the park. Earlier, better. Well,
Yes.
she good. You think me stand a chance?
Yes, is a good woman and she clean and she take care of her.
Well, I mean, I know. anything is a trial. Nothing beat a trial but a failure. But failure, sorry, but me have to come out here. Me have to come out here.
So tomorrow?
Which today was tomorrow?
It really can't happen today anyways.
Oh
Buy
Lord.
one drinks and
Thank
me
you.
have one phone up a yard me not really use. Nothing to do it now, but me upgrade.
Eh.
So me make it get it tomorrow as well. Cause you can't look woman without phone, you know, uncle. You cannot look at woman without a phone.
Why? We don't know. I swear. What would I do without you?
Nothing at all.
Jesus.
So
jeez.
later.
Alright, my niece.
So
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah man, cool.
Okay, so Cassie,
Live here.
you're gonna meet my handsome son. I just called him on the phone and he's on his way coming to meet you.
So question, Miss Candy. Did you tell your son about me?
You know, this is a surprise for him. I didn't tell him about you. Hopefully he will like you because you're a very nice girl and I really like you a lot.
Me can't tell you this is what you know.
He's not like that.
Maybe.
When if mommy reach it?
Must reach.
Let me look.
You look nice. Yeah.
Okay. Mommy. I'll go and reach, you know.
Hi.
I'll go and reach, you know,
Oh.
finally.
Give me a few minutes. Let me talk to you for.
Alright, Bills, may I come here? Let's talk to them.
Just keep this close. Yeah.
What's this about, mommy?
Let's go over there.
Mommy, what one?
Why you bring Shakabery with you? I told her that I need to talk to you. And I had my plan. I had a big surprise for you and then when I look now, you shot me with Shakabery. Why?
Shakabery is my girlfriend, mommy. Come on.
I'm not saying anything about that. That is your business. But listen, I think you need a real good woman in your life.
Mommy, what's this about? What? You can't disrespect Shakabery like that.
I am not disrespecting her. I bring a beautiful bank teller to talk to you. And I know that when you get acquainted to her, I know you will like her because she's a very nice, intelligent, polite girl. She can cook. Even though she's a bank teller, she passed level 2 in cooking at art school.
Mommy, wait, may I hear all the good things what I say? But she's not my type, mommy. I'm in love Shakabery. And I don't know, mommy, come on, you have to do better, you know.
What are you doing, my son, with yourself? I bring a beautiful young woman that is so intelligent, very, very much intelligent. She can cook, wash, and clean. I've been to her home, so I know. She
Mommy,
even cooked
mommy,
give me the other day.
listen.
And it tastes very nice.
Listen to me, mommy.
Hello.
Hi.
And you are?
Huh?
You are? You're his cousin or something?
Cousin? Who's cousin?
Maxie.
No.
So why are you here?
Who are you again?
His girlfriend. His wife.
Whose girlfriend?
Maxie.
So Miss Candy brought me here to meet her son. I don't know if that's the guy you're talking about, but I think there is some confusion right here.
Meet me son for what?
That's not your concern though, but
Alright, listen. You see Miss Candy is a troublemaker. And him know say me and him son not talk. And him a try set up it to our not listen. You see Maxie, a my man and my mind only. No make Miss Candy put in a no passa. You're a nice girl, that make she mix you up. Cause me no know what this. She know say it where we attack and she really not like me, sir.
okay.
I understand, say, you look out for me, you want me to get a nice girl, but thank you, but no thank you. We will deal with this, alright? So make we just have lunch and make she go away. And so, come on, one next time, mommy. She's just not my type, mommy. You understand? I love Shakabery.
Oh, me just wait till you come, you know. You know, so me get one call for work, so me have to go leave right now.
Why
leave?
why you have to leave? Can't you wait just a little bit more?
No, then me get call in, you know, so even though I'm day off and then call me, I have to go.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Alright.
I'll give you a call.
Okay.
She have to go away? So, I wonder what they have to be made man. That's right, man.
I don't feel like I want anything to eat, you know.
Why?
I don't want to eat anything. I'm okay. Enjoy yourself.
So yeah, Senisi.
Okay, so can they work over there, so the little shop in Mig right there, so
No pint.
she can't see with the van today.
Oh.
So, thick, short. Me look a bit. She may look a bit taller than me. Right, nice lady. Me tell you already.
So why you not scare me over there?
No, you mad. Me know what she know. Say you know me.
Oh.
So just go over there like you buy something, you pass by a see her or something. Just get her number. You know, take her because you're a nice lady.
Yeah, shop there, so.
Yes, uncle, the one in the middle.
You know, the money for you.
No, my purse over this one.
Some of the pan up there, if me have pretend like me have buy something.
Well, pass by and act like you see a nice, attractive lady you want to get for her. Simple something.
You know, a long time when I do them something.
Don't worry about it. Me I tell you.
I must have
You can do thing. Uncle, me a face now. You can do thing.
Alright, well, as I say, boy, trust me, I kind of ring rusty, you know, so I have to go really get in the character again, you know.
Yeah, I go be alright. That's what I know I go here. Alright, later.
So, make sure I know, I don't want to go in the shop and I wrong person, you know.
In the middle,
Black
right?
the shop there, so the middle
yes,
one.
the pink one.
No problem. Wish me luck.
Why you not have no confidence?
You don't know already, man. One out I game for a while, but you don't.
Just
Alright, don't worry yourself. I got this.
Alright.
Alright?
Mm-hmm.
I got it.
Go on.
Yes. Alright. Where you do? You're not gonna watch me go.
Watch you go over there.
Yo, you see, I make me lose all the confidence. So. Go on, man.
Alright.
Me good.
Just
Go on.
Go.
Yeah, me tell you what, go on. Alright. Hello, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Why?
You need something to buy?
Yes, man, I'm walking all day.
What you
looking
need?
for a particular product and I cannot find any.
What is that?
You know the banjo you play? Like something like a guitar. But it's a
Yes, but run out of stock.
you don't have any?
No, I ordered some, but
Whole day is the same thing. My God. Why my niece gonna be so disappointed because she's looking so much forward for something like that. Because she have a, you know?
You could
something
check one of the other shops.
I checked everywhere already. I checked everywhere and nothing.
Sorry about that, but as I said, I ordered some. I haven't get them yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So how you doing?
I am okay, you know.
Oh, I'm Leroy.
Oh, I'm Candy.
Nice to meet you, you know?
Same.
Oh, okay. So this is your own and operate here or?
Yes. It's my business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Look at business here, man, and stuff.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Candy.
Candy.
Mhm.
Okay, make sure so I don't forget that. Yeah, man. So, anyways, nice to meet you
Okay.
and stuff. But boy, you know, Charlie, I have a little instinct on me. You know, sometimes if I walk past a million people, I don't feel certain things. But I come near you and believe me, I have this little detail on my body. I don't know. Something. It's kind of weird to explain, you know. But you know, sometimes everybody react to somebody like, you know, boy, that person is a good person and a nice person and something.
Okay.
And thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. So anyway, you married?
No.
Oh, that's good. Well, I mean, yeah, that's good in a sense. And stuff like that, you know.
I'm single. I'm a single woman.
You are?
With one son.
Oh, you have a son?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, Only thing I can tell you that I have one man in my life, and that is my son.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That's even perfect, you know?
Yeah.
And stuff.
So, do you have kids?
No.
Because I could sell you this, you know.
Man, trust me, I would buy everything here from you.
Oh.
Actually, if I had anyway. I can't even probably purchase some. It don't matter anyway, because guess what happened? I have this, as I said, my little instinct kicking, I'm going to see a lot. I'm not going to see you again.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So this is nothing, man. I'll purchase these and even hand them out just for you. And stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But to be honest with you,
Mm-hmm.
I would not feel good leaving here and not get to see you again and stuff. I wouldn't feel good in myself, because I know say when I go on my bed, I go even think about you. I go say, boy, I should have. So
Well.
when I have the opportunity now, I don't want it pass me. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I beg you, please. If you know, I could give me a number or something and make sure so I see you again. I would really
You
love
see
to
me now. I'm gonna be here every day. This is my working place, as I told you before. That.
All right, yeah. That is good, but I want to make it easier. I want to make it when I can.
So you have a phone?
Yes, man. You can just say, boy, you know, I won't meet, man, and this is so much easier. I could call you could call me. Trust me. I have a good feeling here. Trust me. Oh, so it's Candy.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So remember the name Leroy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, my God. Trust me. Anyway, you will be hearing from me. I won't call. You know, I won't stress you. So don't worry about it.
I don't have a problem with you calling me.
All right.
As long as you don't end up in any problem by calling my phone.
No, man, don't worry about that. I tell you, I'm a good man. You get to know me, you'll see.
Okay.
Everything is good.
No problem.
Why, it's been such a pleasure. Why you put a smile on my face?
Have a nice day.
Yeah, man, you take care.
All right, thank you.
All right. Why? Thank you for the opportunity that you give me to let me see you a lot more, all right?
You're welcome.
And this is to celebrate the new us, okay?
Okay.
All right. Why, I don't know, trust me. I really appreciate it.
That's okay. Thank you.
That's all right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, don't worry, man. Even if you're drunk, I'll take care of you.
I know.
Boy, I tell you. When I see you, I know that was it. Everything just flutter. Wow. Boy, I tell you, I really appreciate you, man. Wow. Yeah, it's great. New beginning.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, there's something on TikTok and there's something I miss, man. No, sir.
Yo, how are you going, sir? How are you?
How are you?
What do you mean, how are me? What are you doing here, sir?
Why you man never tell me say she have man? Somebody understand you ask me, who are you?
Mommy!
How are your son?
What do you mean from me and your son?
You don't come in and formally introduce yourself, man. What you go on? I'm your stepfather, man.
Which stepfather?
So she not tell you?
Brother, let me tell you this. Me not no stepfather, you know.
So your mother don't tell you about me? So your premise you what happened?
Where mommy there?
Your mommy not in a youth.
Yo, hear me I say.
Collect anything that no
Hear me I
man
say,
do.
take down your foot off here, man. Because my mother don't want nobody foot on up here, man.
And that you fi do.
What do you mean I that me fi do?
And that you fi do.
Brother, I'm tell you this, I'm not afraid of you, no, man.
How you do youth? How you do? How do you?
Max me!
Yo,
Hey boy, you know me boy, how are you? Hey boy, me, you know me I come from boy, hey. Mommy! What do you mean mommy? Hey, mommy! Boy, how are you? Mommy! Mommy! Get up, how are you? Mommy! Get up here.
I want to go in here, so.
No.
Wait, no. Hold on.
No, don't play with me no boy, how are you? Don't play with me boy.
Wait, nobody. Wait. Hold on.
Yeah, me kill him.
No, kill him.
Don't play with me no boy.
No, babe, no kill him. Wait.
No.
What happened?
Mommy, how this?
Wait, hold on. Wait.
It's a boy, man, as you know.
Wait.
Are you saw this?
Shit, yeah.
Boy, no respect you. Come here, come, box off man, foot off a chair and them sit down. Kind of thing that boy.
Maxie,
No play with me. Hey,
how if you want to fight your stepfather?
Mommy, man, that disrespect me in my own house.
your house.
Wait.
Anything I'm from my mother, for me, I'm tell her that. And this, now I don't say no. And that me I tell her, you know.
You hear me?
Somebody have
Control
to,
me now. Control me now.
you have to dirt. And that me I tell her, here.
What you say
Have
what?
You have to
respect.
dirt.
What you say what, boy?
Wait.
Oh, I'm here.
No.
Wait.
Wait.
Here.
No, wait there. Wait.
Yo, deal with this, you know.
Wait.
You hear me?
Maxie.
Yo,
Maxie.
deal with that.
Jesus Christ.
You have to dirt. And that
Deal
me I
with
tell
that.
her, here.
Just
Deal
go on
with
up
that.
your yard. Me talk to you.
Jesus. Hey, see me on hey. Where you get him from?
Wait. Me no know. Me just get in.
Yo,
But me sorry about everything.
yo.
I want how come to not fight?
Man just come in and see me and lay down now. I mind my own business and wait for you, man. I'm lay down right. See man come box off my foot. And I give me tough talk like him or walk like him or mash me pat him when I do me and all them something, you know. And the man I know.
I understand. It smell like he did a drink when he come in here. Me sorry about it, babes. Leroy, listen.
Oh.
Leroy.
He don't even know what I do, you know.
Just I'm so sorry. I
He
just
don't know what I do, you know.
he's not like
I wrong tree my back up, you know.
me know. But him not the type of person. Me no know him. Maybe he did a drink or
Oh.
smoke or something. Sorry. Me so sorry. Me go talk to him about it, please. Me beg you.
Talk to him, you know. Deal with him, you know. Deal with him.
Forgive him, please.
Come on, know what kind of thing that man come. Yo, you don't even know, you know, star. Remember me tell you, you know. But deal with him, man.
All right, just calm down. You want a drink? All right,
Yeah, man, that sound good, man.
just sit down.
Oh.
Babes, you know, say me love you already and me no want to stick on nobody make me ever live. Just hug me up and stop the foolishness. Just forget about everything. Please, just hug me. I mean, if you think about nothing about him.
Oh, boy, get me hungry, no, man.
All right.
Hungry, no, man.
Hello?
B,
Shakabery, how are you there?
me almost reach you. How your son, so.
Me there, woman. Just hurry up and come. You know,
Yeah, me almost reach. Me don't Eileen come.
alright, me don't feel good.
Yeah, hurry up. B, what happened? Jesus. What happened, B? What happened? B, what happened to you?
I go down to mommy yard. And me look. Me see one man over there.
And?
So me I say, how what the money I do over there? When I go over there, me get to find out say, I'm my boyfriend.
So what happened, B? What happened? Are your mother boyfriend and what? What happened to your face? What make you in a pain?
What do you mean what happened? When I go down there, him man tell me say, I'm my mommy there and Ray.
Yes, and what happened? Your mother a big woman. Your mother must know what good fear from when a good fear.
Listen to me. Me tell the man saying he can't do certain things that he not welcome today. And so comes me and him catch up. And he thump me in my face.
Yeah.
And this now go say, you know. This now go so.
B, you know say you are a problem.
What mean me a problem?
Look into it.
You not want to talk about my face. Why man thump out my face? You can talk about me a problem. What mean me a problem?
Listen what me I say, B. Your mother in a free relationship, toe to toe. She not give a free relationship, no break. We can't have no privacy. Few week about 20 times your mother come up here come visit we. If we are make look love in your mother, they here. She'll tell me, say me must go out there to go see so she can sleep in her bed with you. And now you the in your mother relationship. And what happened to you two now?
What do you mean? I'm a mother that, you know. I'm supposed to protect her.
Yes, but your mother big woman be. Your mother must know what wrong for her and what right for her.
What do you mean?
Where they go and look problem with your mother man for?
You may tell us, man. You come like say you don't know where you trust to, you know.
So you tell me
Because I
say,
feel my mother that, you know. I mean, when you feel like I say, no little careless boy can't come there with my mother, you know.
so you tell me say, me go so boom and me and my friend go so and make a plan and set up a relationship for your mother. Your mother so happy in the relationship. Everything I work out right. And then you want go mash up the relationship. Your mother want mash up your relationship.
What you mean? What you mean you set up my mother?
Because your mother lonely. It obvious that she lonely. She need a man to come out of your relationship. And you go mash up it.
So Shakabery, I really you mean to tell me say I really you set up this and you set up this?
Leg off from me.
Eh? You mean to tell me say
Leg off from me. You don't want to start your own life. As you want to run one mother, you're some mama's boy or something. What wrong with you?
Shakabery, you mean to tell me say I want to come mash up my relationship
Leg
between
off
me
from
and
me,
my
man.
mother?
You know what? I just say it done, you know. It's either your mother or me. So make up your mind and know what you're going to do. Because I'm tired of this now.
My mother didn't want me boy, you know. My mother tell me what the likes are, you know.
Well, let me. Go back to your mother, yeah. Me pay my rent and pay my bills. Because you don't make no sense. No sense you don't make.
I'm telling you, think something
I'm
else?
tired of you now, man.
You think something else something for go? My mother did want me boy too, you know.
And what?
Yo, let me tell you this man.
One man.
Woman are always coming up, and woman are going up. But my mother are always there with me.
And me can't get enough man.
You not live for this day again where you can't tell me if you come out here. So you hear me I tell you?
Go on, take up your things, man, go on.
I learn if you learn to cook and can't
Don't worry
clean.
yourself, man,
Eh?
me cook for me.
You can't kick man. Boy, you want man. You can't kick man.
So go on then if me can't keep no man. Go on.
Go
on.
Go on.
Go on.
Me I go down and feel my mother yard. My mother now run me out. That me I tell you, I like the boy there. Where you can't go down there. Watch what go on. Somebody I got dead. Oh.
Mommy. Where that the man there?
How we are address us as where that the man there? Am I man you talk about? Leroy? For me man when me live with? Oi. Me tell you something. You go have respect. You go have manners to your stepfather. Me know you're a big man, but I don't care. Me live with me man now. And you need to get that straight in your thick head.
Oh, me sound like your son, so.
Let me ask you one question. What really could have possessed you? Make you come want fight off your stepfather? Eh? Which demon really go in your brain and go say, oh, me can fight that. And he can't beat me. You know, see him big and strong.
So, mommy, you put that man there over me?
I know, I put him over you. He already taller than you. Yes, he already over you. And this is my man. Me have a man live with now you fi know say. My life is no more the same. So you go have to understand say respect due to Leroy. Which is your what? Stepfather.
Me not no stepfather, you know. So me don't know where you are chatting about, you know. Me tell you that, you know, mommy. Me not no stepfather.
Anyway, where they come from with them in a bag?
No, Shakabery left.
Eh?
No, Shakabery left.
No, not the queen. Not the queen of Jamaica where you tell me oh. And me and she got married. And she me love. After me care one bank no. Maxie, joke you make. You come to spend little time with me. But you see little time when you come to spend with me, you go have to sleep in the city. Cause member say, my man live with me now. Me and you and my man cannot sleep. You understand that? I hope you get it. You get it? What you mean you and Shakabery left? How what you wanna have? You tired for name the bun up food now? Eh? How what you do? Nay, they get on me, they tell you for a long time. You're tired of the dirty place now. How what happen?
Mommy.
Look, you, Maxie. You see, say, 'cause you're so disrespectful and you're going like, nobody can talk to you. You can jump up in a Leroy face. See there, your job will nearly pop. I hope you learn from the mistake. They look how big and swell. Me figure money for go doctor now. I mean, not send no go flight. Me not even know say they come at me yard. You should have called me first before you come. Suppose me did in your naked, me and me man. You just barge in. And then what worst thing you ever do will hurt me so much. You come and fight off your stepfather.
Mommy, me don't like how you sound, you know.
How me son, I tell you the
Because
truth.
from a little I grew up come up, and me and you alone the there. You never have no problem for me sleep. Me never have no problem for come here. And all because you find one new man now, mommy, I say you go treat me so. Your son.
Me not treat you no way. You turn big man and gone for your own, gone live with your woman. Me a big woman long time. Never have no man. Now me have one man now, which is your stepfather. You go respect that. Things change in a certain ways between me and you. So remember when me say, if you come to stay down here for a little time, or you come forever. Me don't know, because me know you're lying wicked, you know. You go sleep in the city.
So mommy, you know, I can't eat. I'm hungry, you know.
You there? Ever hungry? Ever they did fit hungry and you chat about, oh, she a nice girl. She can cook, she can this, she can that. And you're hungry every time me have to give you food to eat. Big old ass steering man like you. Me already cook some food. You understand? Roast breadfruit. And me fry it too, because I know you like it the way the butter now. You made it look beautiful. But now you come, 3 fish in the pot. One big one, so don't touch it. The biggest one is semi man. Don't touch it. Take the littlest one. And on name off the food because Leroy gone out a road fi come back and him a go hungry. Me have to make sure say me provide and prepare my man food proper. Me is not Shakabery where you call your good girlfriend. Now you and her left. I could have walk and see. One, and you smell like you want bathe till you look dirty. I can't bet say I be dirty clothes you care from up your yard. And you did live with woman. Fi me come wash now. Remember, say me nah no time to wash your clothes them again, you know me have to wash me man clothes now.
Girl, things get bad to worse.
Which things get bad to her?
You know see how your uncle beat up me man, girl?
Me sorry about what happened, you know. But my uncle called me and him say Maxie first put on lick on him, so he kinda asked for it.
Girl, it come like a worst mistake we ever do. Better we never bother do nothing. Cause some relationship mash up there. Me have to run out Maxie sell him guy in yard.
What do you mean by you put up Max? What go on up there? Because me not understand your relationship. We look a man for your mother-in-law for distract her, but in a work, maybe we the sister she want her son at you because this don't make sense. Why she can't keep herself quiet?
When me I get to find out, Max go up they go make problem with him man. They say what him a say, who this a man in a mother yard, they don't want a man in a mother yard. Yesterday when me come in from work, it whole eye swell up.
Well, I don't know what to say. The only thing me have to say is, me sorry say me set up my uncle on because the family are crosses. This family is this don't make sense.
Well, me go me run him out, you know, so me done with that the crosses family because me can't bother with it.
So, as it relates to Maxie and my uncle, them fighting squash because me know my uncle go back to jail, you know. Me can't take the bag so it's either Maxie go to my mother and stay there, or he keep himself quiet because me no need him to in and out with my uncle because my uncle is not good and me don't want him to go back to jail because me miss my uncle on the road. Oh.
What you mean by you know want him go back to jail?
No, that me say.
What you mean? That not connect right now.
Shakabery, my uncle did there jail. And me sorry, so me never tell her. Me never tell her because I don't like to judge and that you go do right now, judge. And me kind of never remember.
So you don't think you should have tell me that before we plan up all of this?
Me never remember. What does it have to do with it? A foreign with it? It matter?
But look what happened now.
Oh, so because indeed they're jail, why them have one disagreement?
Jesus.
It has nothing to do with it.
But girl, it sound like for your uncle a bad man. Because you know want to see how him beat up Maxie Him a ball for him belly, him a ball for him back in yai butter blues.
Cause Maxie a jellyback. Maxie is jellyback. You know see him operate?
Well,
My uncle is not no bad man, he just not gonna make nobody walk over him.
well, me nah go say that a lie still, and boy, for them right now, me not think me I go back in that the relationship there.
You don't
Because
think or you don't know, Shakabery, just think about what you say. You don't think you would really want to sit down and stay in the relationship there and Maxie mother go on to
boy, that the mother band they too thick for me. It look no space no there so for me at all.
good. It's good that you walk away, you make up your mind, and you say, anyway, you call me and tell me, say, you want Maxie good, me and you, yeah? Me and you.
Me not think that I go happen still, because me can't take that the drama that me out tight, so me I stay out tight, to be honest.
Which is good. Man that done pay you, you will find a man. You make Maxie and him mother go on, because me not understand for the relationship.
Girl.
Leroy!
Candy, call me name again, Candy.
Leroy!
Call me name, Candy.
Oh my God!
Call me name.
This thing is killing me.
Mommy, I'm about to kill you!
Oh God! Leroy!
Whoa, yo, let me hear boy out there, man. Ah, Leroy! I want to tell you this. I was like, make you come in bed doing what go on in your bed. Mommy, I'm about to tell you, mommy. Shut up.
I'm okay. Oh God.
Go on in your bed, go on in your bed.
Leroy!
Mommy!
Jesus.
That boy.
Oh, Maxie, go to your bed. Oh, Jesus. Leroy. Where have you been all my life? Oh, God. I'm gonna be okay, Maxie.
Should we get rid of the boy there, man?
Okay, baby.
Man, just come mash up man things in the man. Sure.
Oh, no, babe. Get in the mood. Leroy.
Call me name again.
Leroy!
Call me name again, cat.
Oh my God, this thing is killing me.
Yo, Maxie, walk along. What you doing yourself? What going, man? From when me not see you come up, what happened?
Well, I don't even know, dog. Boy, I don't even know, star.
Rotted. I want your face, brother.
Shakabery, man.
Brother, Shakabery fist you?
No, brother. No, man, youth. Shakabery. I don't even know, dog. You know what I know, say? Shakabery and a little idiot friend. Stay so Bamson. Make up and give it and set up a man for my mother, dog.
Then, bro, that no good man. Your mother find a man.
Good way. Brother, no man no fear fool around my mother, my youth. Let me tell her that. First thing first, me go down there. It's like a man want to take over a place. Me, all I walk around in a place in the underpants, brother. I not want to walk around in a place in the underpants.
Hold on. Let me understand. So you and the man fight? Cause me hear say your mother find a man. You and the man fight?
Look for me, dog.
So why man fist you?
All me I tell the man, say, brother, you can't just walk up and down say in a place. The man I come say, my man I house. Me I say, man I reach house. I brother, yo, the man I'll triangle me to you, dog.
I tell you, bro. So you have your life and your mother have her life. You never have reached yourself, you know? You never have reached yourself. And because of that couple days, you know, come and work. Bro, 3 days absent from work, you know, automatic termination, that, you know?
Brother, I shouldn't even know violence me happy right now, you know.
No, bro.
Violence me happy.
No,
I tell you
bro.
that. Somebody have to dead.
No, bro. You listen, man. You better you go for station and go report it, bro. Just take some picture of your bruise with your face. Go for station. They must send you to a doctor. You go to a doctor. Then we come for him.
Brother, man, they just come out of jail too, you know, man. Just come out of jail, you know.
Maxiem, you're a friend, bro. And whatever what me I tell you, a real talk, bro. But you just get the police involved.
I actually even know, dog. And Shakabery next one too, you know, man.
So what going with you and she? You know good?
Good way, brother. Me and her left. You have to run. Me have to left running in place.
See, I tell me say sick of this, you left all the woman, bro.
Brother, I'm a mother that, you know. You come I can understand, say I'm a mother that, brother. She grew me up.
So which part you live here now?
I don't have my mother yard.
Bro, just listen to me and tell us. Better you just get the police involved and not nothing foolish. You hear me I tell you? But yo, just go and hold them, man. Zin?
Yeah, man, do you right, man.
Alright.
Yo, what you say? Yo, you know nobody me can get a machine from for buy car. Yo,
Yo, bro, just low out that, no, man. Low out that, brother.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, man, hello.
You know say I want to report.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
You know say I want to report me come.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Yeah, man, good evening.
You know say I come to make one report.
Yeah, man.
Cause I go down my mother yard and when I go down there, he and one man down there. Zin? I mean I tell the man say, yo, you can't cock up.
So the man is who to you?
He man nothing to me.
No relationship to your mother?
Me don't know the man officer. Me don't know him.
So your
But
man
I
is
don't-
not your, no cousin to your mother, no boyfriend, nothing?
Me don't know if my mother boyfriend, me don't know if my mother have no
First you
boyfriend.
see him in the house.
First me I see him in the house.
Alright, continue.
And me I tell him said, you can't cock up your foot like that in the house. Him man I go make me know say I'm my man in yard. And me don't know about that.
So
Cause I want
he's
man-
a stepfather.
So stepfather officer. Me not know stepfather. I want father me have.
Okay. So what your mother do about the situation?
My mother tell me say I'm boyfriend. I want bag of something. And look how him do me eye. Thump me in my eye.
So like what cause it make him thump in the eye?
Come me I tell him say yo, you
You
can't-
disrespect him or what?
Like him a try to say me disrespect him.
Oh.
In my mother house. And the man hold on for me next officer and a choke me, you know, thump me in my eye. Look there. It's a report me come to make.
Okay, so you don't do him nothing, you don't put your hand upon him.
Officer, me don't know the man, me I tell you, me don't know him none at all.
Okay.
Take a report and want press charges, lock him up.
Alright. When the incident happened? Which day?
Must say Friday. But I me feel so nervous and I mean, me not tell like officer, me there pre-violence. A violence me
No,
there
but
pre.
violence is not the way to it. You come to the police, that's the best way to it.
That's why I come at station.
Yes. So you have to just leave it to the police.
Just take a report and I write down an umbrella road down there in there. And I know say in the gas jail already.
Okay.
Only name me know and call him a Leroy.
Okay. No alias.
Me don't know your last name, I tell you the truth. As me I tell
And you say he went to jail already before?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know what? We're going to give you a police report and you're going to go to the hospital and get a medical report. So from there, we can take it from there.
Alright.
Yo. Yeah, man, Virgin. More of a radio still, you know. See?
Brother, man, I don't chatting today, you know. You see what's like you do me face, so?
Eh? Boss man, may I start off on the wrong foot. Zin? That truth may I bring to you, you know. Zin? Peace may I bring. Want to talk to the eye. Zin? Sorry what I do you still, you know. But I don't know, say, respect have to do still, because guess what? I'm a man in there, no. Listen to me.
How come like you hear that boy, you man?
Yeah, hear me, boss man.
What you
Listen
mean?
to me. Listen to me, man. Let me tell you, sir. Man, I war thing, boss man.
I left if you left my mother place.
Boss man, you hear me? As a matter of fact, since you talk so, certain changes I forgot make around here, you know. You see them hours, listen to me, boy. You see them hours where you walk and step in a place, it have to go cut. Zane, you open pot and a search food, I count dumpling at night time. I hear the pot you open in a virgin. Zane, and I come Jim Screechy, and your mother do a listen to my mother there doing all them things and so forth. Boss man, them things you have to go cut, you know. Zane, right now you have to go stop them foolishness there.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see what's sweet you? I go sour you here.
Oh yeah, that trick me. Let me show you something, man. Look here. Let me tell you something. Looking at my face. Zane, you don't know where I come from. I'm not afraid to go back. You understand what I mean? You have to have some respect. You see me? I mean, an easy piece of man to see, I know. Yo, when we dirt people, you see me, I know. I take me for a little squaw in a bridging, I tell you that, you know. Eh? See me, I know me are two different things in a youth. Tell me, I tell you that, you know. Zin, I want me, I tell you, and you take in and hear what me say. For your own good. Go on inside, boss man. Go along inside. And you better go your bed early too. Make sure I come in here sleep, come in and take a ear business, boss. Go on in. Look yourself up on the floor, you sleep. Go on in. Look a boy, man.
Hello? Police. Hello?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, good evening.
Good.
I'm Constable Campbell from the Negril Police Station.
Okay.
Are you related to Leroy Vassal?
Yes, that's my uncle.
Are you aware that you escaped from the jail?
No.
The first news to you?
Yes.
If you know him whereabout, I don't tell the police, you know we can charge you, right?
But I don't know his whereabouts.
Alright, when the last time you see him?
Since he was arrested, that was the last time I saw him.
You visit him at the station?
No, because they told me that I was not able to
So-
because of what he was charged for.
So since him break out, you don't see none at all?
No, what's the issue?
Alright, listen. If you see him, make sure you tell himself to report to the nearest police station. You want it dead or alive.
Okay, but I don't think my uncle that turn up here since I don't need him.
So if you see him and you don't turn him in, we're gonna charge you for having a wanted man. I know that he's a family member, you know, and you might be protecting him. Thank you.
Uncle Leroy!
What?
You telling me what?
Oh, you did it? Yeah. What?
Where are they?
When you buy me idea? You say me will hang out. What?
Uncle Leroy. Police come on me yard, you know.
What you say?
Yes, police come on me yard and them say.
Hold on. Shh. He said police come on yard.
You're not here.
Come here. Come here. Jesus. Come here. Come here. What you say?
Uncle Leroy. The policeman said they want you dead or alive. You come here and you tell me say you come up on good behavior. You understand so you can get me in a trouble too?
Hold on. So, nice to up me?
So all them fi up them I come down here to you and I lead them to you.
You sure say nobody no follow you come down here? You never see or nothing like that?
All of them I come. They ain't see me.
Yeah, for sure, no. All right. I couldn't come clean to you at first. I couldn't just come tell you, say, boy, I escape. I get a little opportunity and I have to take it.
Yeah, man, brother, I sue them back a road, you know. No worries, sir, man, I sue them. Yo, you're Lincoln. Oh, thank you, sir. Cool on.
So you're dealing a little wicked.
Yeah, man.
Thing all right?
Yeah, man. All our ends.
Boy, they come like they want to come take man food. I want to them, man. Anyway.
I don't know where you eat the food they still, so.
Yeah, what happened?
Go on.
Tonight, you know.
Tonight?
Tonight.
No, man, that sound good, man.
What you say happen?
There, man.
Man,
You know, a long while left out,
yo, me say, the man them have space 4 away.
4
After me, Indian and Dungo. You can be fourth.
You sure say you trust Indian though? Indian are infam, man.
Cool, man, we not no choice, brethren. You got turn in the sun rotten, man?
No?
Oh, but you waiting.
You
must have a vehicle and wait. And all we have to do, crawl on a place and just one little bit of swimming and we'll go over and still. The man at the van and go wait. Tonight, everything planned.
Wait. Leroy.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you just say?
Yeah, what?
You never tell me about swimming.
So what wrong? You can't swim?
No, you don't see I'm black.
Oh, what did this man? Boss man, you don't want to come out?
By the way, me never swim in my entire life. On top of that, you know, here's a shark play in the water.
So what? Oh, the man. Boss man, you in or you out? You in or you out?
Leroy, you never tell me that.
Say you can't swim?
No.
So,
me never learn how to swim in my entire life. Me the think I just crawl through little 2 hole and then with the back of road.
Well, if you can't come, you can't come in a boss.
No,
But
man.
make space for
No.
and then we go. No man, look at the man. We go through all of this trouble, man, youth. Look wicked man.
But
we go through a 4 space we make. And now you gonna tell me say you can't come, man.
wait, no,
Boss man, you can't swim. So we are gonna stay in here.
Wait,
Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Me just talk too loud, make the man them want to hear me, bridge. How can I hear?
Alright, but you tell me say one boat would have ready to pick me up. You never tell me say me would have to swim.
Boss man, I just want liquor swim cross and on a boat, the boat never work out. We just have to use one van over there and wait. So
Alright.
me can't stay another night as a boss man. You understand what I mean? And you all get all dropped anywhere you want to go.
Alright.
Zin?
You got to carry me on your back, you know.
You don't need to carry back business, but you know, big man don't carry upon. You hear that?
But
you have to go stay here. We can't stay here so long, boss. You what now? We can't even talk like this. So,
just you remember say you're big, you know.
Easy. But stop with the foolishness now, youth. Then, decide where you do. You don't have much time. Alright?
Alright.
Cool. Yo, hold on. Don't move it. Yo. Give me a user for your phone.
So you really are going to ask me after you say you can't help me go on your back?
That's cool, man. Let's give me a user for your phone, man. Me can't carry you. And you have to go make up your mind.
Wrong, man.
Alright, now you. There's a long in a man.
I know about stay
You
too
can't
long.
like this, man. Stay right there. Yeah. My uncle, man. Uncle Leroy. What go on?
No, all things.
Everything alright, you know. You know, say, I tell us, boy, I get a little early release, you know. Then? Yeah. No, man, I don't come out yet, man. But I come out anytime, you know. Them a process the paper, them and everything for good behavior and all them thing, you know. So.
Okay, I'm happy to hear. So, okay, I come here.
Credit.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Credit are done. Yeah, man. Me just clean up the place for me and thing and look about. You hear me? Yeah, but upper house me I come.
Credit.
Alright. Cool.
You dep on the car too long, you know, say I got to probably get off of money, you know.
I'm here to talk to say youth. Look wicked. After me put too much protection for you, come look at me and come say that.
Leroy, I respect you, you know. But you wouldn't even carry me on your back.
You still upon the thing that I can't carry a man for my back, boss, man. You're a big man and all, man. Look what you do. And then you want one carry for your back. Eh? Are you should have bring me? Move from my face, man. Move. Look what you would do in here, say you come tell me about how to come carry for my back. There's no way I could have continued. It's rough in there, you know. You know how much years me get? I couldn't take it. Yo, you don't even know what going on.
Leroy, you get the opportunity to escape and go where business there you come home. You don't feel like you're that first person I check.
That is the reason why Mr. Boy, I want someone to stay. That's the reason why me end up here. So now nobody not supposed to know me there.
Me no know which way you go after your first person because I go down here to go check for you down there full up of police and soldier.
That's curse. Me expect all this, you know, but me not had no choice. I can't stay in there. Not even my dog, but I want to go back in there, so, you know, man. You know, me if I go through all the night time at them places. Every minute you hear some man get stabbed up and this and that. Over there, say, here, man, a ball, this and you have to defecate. You have to wait for call all man to come defecate. Next thing you know, say, boy, you have to do it on a bucket or anything you catch. Yeah, man, in the war. Yo, I can't manage them something, man. So me decide, say, boy, I'm going to just anything to come out. I can't go back in there, so, man.
So what the plan, uncle? Because you come out illegally and you come fight off the youth. You know, say them something you catch it back for you. You come out, you fight off
the boy that show. Come on, not tell him, man. That youth, man, that youth, remember tell him, man, that youth want one drape up, man. Sorry, say me, man, but he wants somebody drape him, man. Long time somebody should have put all him in place, man. Anyway, apart from that still, you know, but me don't know what to expect when I come out. But me just have to see opportunity and I have to take it. I'm sorry, but sorry for life here because you always did that for me.
Yeah,
Forever
you
since.
get me in trouble because...
You're not in trouble, man. You're not in trouble.
Alright. You don't get me in trouble. When I don't make me one accessory for you, all of the fooling issue I go on.
You don't know nothing, man. But me not say nothing. Calling you, you don't know nothing. You know me like that, man. But I know me see opportunity, me have to take it.
So we go tell Miss Candy. We go tell our family. What are the plan?
As me say, me never have a plan.
No, what are the plan? No, that them a look for you. What you gonna do?
Well, like, me have to go trip out again, you know.
What you mean?
Me can't stay. You understand me? Me know all of this, you know. Me know say time I go catch up, but me have to keep on moving. I just say opportunity me check. I say, boy, yeah, man, me know man come out already and stay. I know them not find me hear about that. And that opportunity.
Where you go tell Candy say you go?
I don't know what me I go tell her still. But me not go tell her where me I go. Me can't tell her where me I go. Me just have to just come move, man.
You know, feel like this is gonna break me. Look how long you go and you come back and make me feel like everything alright and my uncle come back and know all of the foolishness. Uncle, what you gonna do?
I don't know.
You see a damn head but you don't know?
No, I have to go. I have to.
Alright. You know the boat you, my friend. Maybe you can use him boat and see if you can get one closest part to Bahamas or somewhere. That's the only plan. That's the only thing I can think of. Try to reach a Barbados somewhere. And see if I can live from this to go somewhere else because Uncle them said them wanted dead or alive. Right. A murder charge, you go up and you come back and assault somebody.
Anything, you know. Anything. Alright, now I'm willing. Me have it. Can't go back this man. I can't go back. Dead or alive, whatever, I can't go back. Anyway, I go do. I go do what you say.
That have you done today because after they left you, them come here so cause the woman's son, them are gonna know which part they feel like say a police. We talk about it.
Alright. Say no more. I have to go leave now.
You have the phone on me here. It'll work on everything.
Jesus Christ, boy. Oh God, man. Thanks everything. We won't get in no trouble, I promise. I promise you.
Me gonna say.
Nah, get in no trouble. Alright?
Alright. Just let me know where you go.
Alright. Candy. Why? I don't want to talk to you still now. Why? I really appreciate everything what you do for me. I know time you take me in and, you take care of me and everything and so. I really appreciate it, but why I have something I have to tell you still.
What is it?
Can't go stay.
I don't understand you. A joke can make her what?
Oh, I'm sorry for that. I mean, I play the emotions or nothing, but I have to go leave. I have to go. I have to leave.
Why? What is the problem? May I have something?
No, definitely not. Everything good, everything perfect.
I don't understand. What you mean when
Can't
you say
explain to you now, but I have to leave here.
Just like that? I mean, I know what is the problem. You just have to leave just so, and we don't have anything.
You will understand. And you will know what happened. I can't go tell you now. I'm sorry. Sorry at the bottom of my heart. I never let you on. I never expect this to happen, but something come up and I have to leave. I have to leave now.
Babe, tell me what is the problem? A Maxie a problem?
No, man. Maxie can't handle, man. Maxie at least, man.
You sure? Because if a Maxie are the problem, you know, me can run out Maxie, me can go back in woman yard. Me and your day. You can't just come in my life and just jump out just so. I don't understand.
Alright, me get an opportunity still. Zane, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I have to leave. I have to get a boat ride to the Bahamas. And then I go over the US. Zane, me we try and contact you. But me have to leave now. It's an opportunity me get, but me have to leave like ASAP right now. Me sorry.
That sound like you no plan to come back. No tall in my life. I want next woman you find.
No, nothing like that.
So
Nothing like
I don't understand this because after you make me fall in love with you, and then you just all look for me one day out of the blues for no reason. Like say me have something or you see me we are speed one man or you hear say me have one man and just gone so to another country.
It hurt my heart, but guess what?
I mean never are we right, you just chuck it on me so now and then you go leave.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God. What we wrong? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to leave. All right. I feel going good. I have to leave.
No.
I have to leave.
No. So you're not gonna come back now.
I'm sorry. I have to go. Yes. Hello?
Yes, good evening, Nigel Police Station.
Me I call back to check up on one report what me did make other day, you know. But
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
yeah, man. I mean, it come down there come make one report about one Leroy.
Oh, you are the gentleman that your father beat.
Yeah, yes. He told me in my eye. No, he no beat me up. He told me in my eye.
Okay, all right. So a question again, sir. How old are you, sir?
Me are 35.
35. I make your father beat you.
Boss, you see man tell me say me fi put the law in my own and me couldn't defend you know. I don't tell me say me fi left in a law and you know.
All right. Here's what, sir. We can't really follow up that case right now, because we have a fugitive out on the run, and we have to put all the manpower and resources to catch that escape convict along with his cronies.
So Orlando, so for me face no matter.
I did not say that, sir. I'm just saying that this is a more pressing matter. When we clear up this case, then we can attend to that. We have to put all the manpower and police to deal with this case.
So that means if we take matters in a film own hand then.
You know what, sir? We can. You know what? Later, sir. Later.
What kind of police? Mommy, we doing in the kitchen a while ago and I not see no food, you know. Or you not cook nothing today? Mommy, I want to tell. Eh? I know Leroy like you, mommy. So I want to make you look so.
Leroy gone.
Then mommy, that make you look so. What you mean Leroy gone?
Saying gone and Bahamas and he no look like him will come back.
Then mommy, not good sitting that there. You don't know who you did the arbor in the house, mommy. That man is a fugitive. Old thief, hoodlum. Me don't know how he not come from Papa news.
Maxie. You see if you have nothing good to say? Because right now, you see where you're depend? My brain can't take it. If I something you come to eat, me never have the time to cook because me never in a no mood the whole time much hour. Something there where you can cook. One go look about something for eat. No bother start right now. Me can't take it right now.
Alright, mama, look. Me sorry, so Leroy left you. Yeah? But look, me and your son, and me I go always there with your mommy. Me, I go always there in your life. Yeah?
kids are calling from morning to evening for you. As a mother, your work is never ending. I want you to know that I see you. 'Cause you are the heart of this family. You are the stones that built our home.
I'm gonna put on phone on the screen so that's me come.
No, Chibu won't have a divided attention, that's why.
The divided attention.
Ready and action. Mommy!
What? I can laugh like that. I can laugh like that.
No, man, get up, man. I want to shot when boss get up and tell him, oh, Mr. I want to get a catch film shot low, you know. I done, man, sure. Come here, man. Yeah. Ready again? Yo, how are you? Watch out, you might. Lord, kid. I want to your face, brother. No Shakabery, man. Shakabery, face you. Yo. I'll have triangle between you, dog. Yo, you see me like face, and hold in short. Yo, but the girl, I'm here. I'm a chop out. Yo, man. So tell me what I want all the time. Tell me what I want. Man, I can't check me, brother, right now. Nah, Shakabery fish you? No, dog. You ready again? Yeah. Then that no good, brother? Good what? Someone that said, yo. Right, come down. Ready? Set up man for your mother, ready? Ready. She and I little idiot friend, brother. Set up man for my mother, dog. Then not no good thing, brother. It's the same kind of vibe. Talk to me laughing, right?
4 days. You have to go out there so I make me sleep with my son.
Alright, take down. Tell him to go on with the bed. Then Shakabery got them to know it.
Shaka goes up. Eh?
Yeah, Shaka.
A mind body that.
Yeah, I said that. I said that. But I said they not going. I said they were not going.
I don't public channel this. So I tell you, say I'm my man. So anything when me stand it tell you, it's a total misunderstanding. Alright?
Just up, yeah.
Leroy, go ahead then. Yeah, man, ready. Maxie. Ready, all that. Ready. And action. Yo, Maxie, come on here. Yo, why am I know you? Hey, boy, better take time.
Leroy!
Action, man. Yo, now need to buy one. Go on, Carl, what is it?
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.